The closest animal that humans are related to is the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are one of the most endangered animals on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List. They live in the rainforests and savanna grasslands of Central Africa. Their average height is 2.1 meters to 1.6 meters, and they weigh 40 kilograms to 70 kilograms. Chimpanzees in the wild can live an average of 30 to 40 years. However, if they live under human care, they can live to be over 50 years old. They become reproductively active at the age of 14 and have one offspring per litter. Chimpanzees live in forest-based troops, with a strong, dominant male alpha leading the pack, designating their territory and living within it. However, after a few years, these leadership positions change. This is because chimpanzee troops are highly politicized. They are maintained by a hierarchy of power, and groups fight for dominance and combine through tests of bravery and risk of betrayal. Disagreements and conflicts in group life are often resolved through violence, which creates a hierarchy. This ecological trait makes chimpanzees very aggressive. Chimpanzees are omnivores with a vegetarian diet. They eat fruits, nuts, and even insects like ants, but meat is their favorite. Chimpanzees hunt their own and other species of monkeys, antelopes, forests, and warthogs. Their greatest natural enemy is the leopard. With its ability to ambush chimpanzees from the outside and its ability to climb trees, the leopard is a dangerous animal for chimpanzees. To protect themselves, chimpanzees often band together to attack and kill leopard cubs. Chimpanzees expand their territories by fighting with chimpanzee troops from other territories. They also have food competition with baboons, and their troops go to war with each other. Chimpanzees are said to engage in organized fighting, deliberately walking into other troops and beating them up. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent animals. An example of this is their unique use of tools in different regions. Some regions use branches to catch bent ants, while others use stones to crack walnuts and sharpen the ends of wooden sticks to hunt animals that live in tree hollows. However, each chimpanzee has its own personality, and some may never develop or master this culture. Chimpanzees also care for each other, like humans, by treating each other's wounds and picking each other's fur. They express their emotions by grunting or screaming, and they communicate with behaviors such as hugging and touching each other. When Kyoto University in Japan tested the chimpanzee Jamin, it was found that his short-term memory exceeded that of humans. It is believed that he evolved this way due to the situation in which he often identified obstacles in dense trees and forests. Chimpanzees are said to have 1.2 to 1.5 times the muscle strength of humans because they have twice as many muscle fibers as humans alone. They also have a phenomenal physical ability to run, capable of running up to 40 kilometers per hour. However, these chimpanzees are expected to lose 90 kilometers of their African homeland to global warming and habitat destruction by 2010, which is why humans must work to minimize the climate crisis and habitat destruction to prevent their extinction. The average chimpanzee weighs 130 kilograms, which is quite a bit of strength. However, these chimpanzees are expected to lose 90 kilometers of their African homeland to global warming and habitat destruction by 2010, which is why humans must work to minimize the climate crisis and habitat destruction to prevent their extinction. Tool using chimpanzees are the animals that humans are most similar to.
The ostrich is the largest of the flightless birds, with a large, rounded, massive neck and long legs, and large wings. The ostrich's distinguishing feature is its ability to run fast on the ground rather than fly. Ostriches can run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers on the ground. They can weigh up to 160 kilograms and reach a height of 2.5 meters. Although they have wings, they cannot fly. Their wings are covered with feathers. They are powerful and help them move quickly on the ground. Their legs are strong, long, and developed for fast running. Each leg has 3 toes, the middle toe of which has large, sharp claws. The ostrich's beak is long and rounded and is used to find food. The beak comes in a variety of colors and varies in shape and size depending on the species. The skull of an ostrich is large and wide, with a large brain. Ostriches live in savanna and plains areas, and this skull structure gives them a larger field of vision and makes it easier to find. And make it easier to find food. These features are the result of adaptive evolution to help ostriches survive in arid regions. The ostrich's large body size and long legs allow it to move quickly to catch its prey. Their large beaks and skulls help them find prey more easily. Of the many species of ostriches, the African ostrich is one of the largest birds in the world. Its beak is about 20 centimeters long and is used to find food. Ostriches live mostly in arid regions such as deserts, savannas, and many types of plains. They feed on small insects, seeds, and fruits and live in small flocks. Currently, ostriches are classified as an endangered species due to heavy human hunting. People use the ostrich's feathers and skin. Their meat is very nutritious and has become one of the most popular foods. Because ostriches are one of the birds that play an important role in the Earth's ecosystem. In recent years, many efforts have been made to protect ostriches.